Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to find out the factorial of a given number in Python. So guys, now let me open up the Jupyter notebook. Guys, now we are going to find out the factorial of a given number in Python. So guys, let's first take the input from the user with the help of input method. Guys, this input method will return the input in a string, so we need to convert this input into the string. So to do this, we need to use int method here. And now guys, I am using a fact variable here and I am assigning 1 to this fact variable. And now guys, in the for loop, I am using range function, and the parameter of range function will be 1 and n plus 1 because we will use n there. And now guys, we are going to print the value of factorial. Guys, now if I run these scripts, then it is asking to enter a number. So let me enter the number. Guys, I have entered 7 and the output of 7 is 5040. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.